Welcome to the Benny Keith Test Kitchen. I'm Tom with the Culinary Resource Team. And today's featured item, fresh peaches. Back in season, back in stock. What we have here is a 25-pound case of 48 to 72 count. Today's example is going to be a 50 to 45 count is what we're working with today, which is about the size of a tennis ball. So now we're going to jump on in and show you how to pit a peach. Now you can Google it all day long and get the particulars on pitting peaches. You can either go latitude up and down, longitude side to side. I choose to go up and down. Get your nice sharp little knife. Easy, go around. Split that rascal right in half, okay? Now, you might be tempted to try and cut this other side of the peach out or pop it out with this here knife. Folks, put the knife down. Let me introduce you to my secret weapon, the melon baller. Get you one of these. Just get in there, pop that pit right out. There you have it, the perfect pitted peach. Now stick around because my buddy Chris Whitehead is going to show you how to put peaches on the plate.
Thanks, Tom. Now let's grill up some of these pitted peaches. When placing on the grill, make sure to give it a good press so the sugars start to caramelize. After a minute and a half, you'll need to turn it one more time to get a great, beautiful char mark on the peach. And now for the best part. A warm grilled peach topped with the French vanilla ice cream is dynamite. It's fantastic. Hit it with a little balsamic glaze, great. Or you can let them cool down, slice, and add to your seasonal salad that you have going on. And as my buddy Tom said, we're just putting peaches on the plate. Enjoy.